Hi guys, it's Miss Markets by Pearl. Today I'm going to do a shopping haul because since yesterday we went to SM Grand Central and we went shopping on National Bookstore and on SM Department Store. So let's get started. This is the SM Department Store.
That are the items that we bought from SM Dep Store, okay?
Here guys.
So, tingnan nyo guys. Baby bra, buksan mo nga ate. Tingnan mo nga ako maganda. Kasi guys, luma na yung iba niya guys eh. Buksan, pakita mo kay guys. Para makita din ng ibang mami, para bilhan na rin yung mga anak nila. Pakita mo. Ito. Ewakan mo, please. Para makita din ng mga ibang mami na maganda yung design, oh. So, to guys, oh. Hindi naman first bra ni Shasha, guys. Marami siyang bra. Hindi siya pa ate. Marami siyang mga bra na, guys. Ano kasi ito, mas mura to, guys, eh. Pero we got a discount, diba, ate? Ate, itayo mo nga, ate. Pakita mo. We got a 10% discount. So, all in all, we paid 439 for this two. Ate, pakita mo yung likod. Maganda, guys, yung baby bra. Okay? So, what are the other items that, you bought?
Next is the National Bookstore
Items.
This is the disposable mask that you can wash it. Only
Washable.
Washable.
Not disposable. Washable.
Washable. 3 pieces. It's a dinosaur theme.
I think this is 103 pesos. Ano? Sige natin.
Next, it is a white collection tape.
It is. Pag hinahawak mo, this is.
High quality.
Okay.
Next, this is my mom's notebook. Next, a ruler.
Ano to?
Ruler.
Ruler. Not more.
Next, a panda.
Panda pen. This only cost 21, I think, ano?
Next, this is for my reviews.
Gagamitin to guys pag review kay ate Shasha. Diba ate? Para ma-refresh tayo sa grade 4, okay?
Next, this is for my drawing.
This is what we call clipboard, di ba? Kasi pwede mo siyang lagyan dyan ng
Drawing.
cotton band. Ano? Lalagay mo dyan. Kung ano yung i-drawing mo. I think this is 139 or 129.
Parang chopping board. Next, this is an outline pen.
How much is this? I think this is expensive. Outline. Pag nagdo-drawing guys, is Smart Kid. Calligraphy pen. Okay.
This next, the last one but not least, the expandable folder.
Last but not the least. Okay. Grabe.
Look, you guys can do it.
And how much do we pay? All in all? Ilang items ba? 55 correction tape, 21 pen, 69 art calligraphy pen, 38 steno notebook, 100 face mask, discovery mat 249. Protractor plus talaga yun, nak. Ayan. Fixed loan 139. Best book. Ano yung best book, ate?
Ito,
Yung clear. Okay, all in all, guys, we paid 820. Grabe, ang mahal. Ang mahal, guys.
so
Just
guys,
me.
this is all for my vlog. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.